Welcome back to Sister's Kitchen. Welcome my lovely subscribers and my lovely viewers. And if you are new here, welcome also.
Sister, today what are you making?
I'm gonna make some curry chicken with some banana dumpling. So guys, I have 2 chicken here. I'm gonna cut them up and my seasonings are here. My dry ingredients are over here. Garlic plus, my ginger powder, my curry powder, black pepper, and all-purpose seasoning. Okay guys, and I have my onions, scallion and garlic here, and the other rest I will do the other rest in going through what I'm doing. So guys, I'm gonna cut up my chicken, wash it, and come right back to you. So okay guys, I wash my meat, I cut up my chicken and wash it with vinegar and some lemon juice. So now I'm gonna add seasoning. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of all-purpose from Maggi, another tablespoon of garlic plus, and this one you can find it in Costco. Ginger powder, you can find this one also in Costco, not all the time, but sometimes. And this is my better pack curry, but I put it in this jar because I had it in a bag. It came from Jamaica in a bag, sorry. And I have my good old black pepper over here. Put a dash of it inside too. And I'm gonna cut up my wet ingredients now guys. So I'm gonna rub up this and put it aside until I prepare the rest of the stuff. In my Irish and stuff inside. And my green sweet pepper. So guys, stay tuned, I'll be right back. And I'm gonna add my green ingredients. Okay guys? So okay guys, I'm gonna start cutting my Irish. Okay guys, big up Dahlia from St. Vincent. She was one of them who commented and tell me where she was commenting from. And big up
Julie Angel
from UK. And who's from Barbados? Somebody from Barbados.
Janet Reed
from Barbados. Big up my girl. She always tell me Barbados is in the house. So big up my guys, big up every one of you who's watching from the diaspora. And thank you guys for watching me. Thank you, you're appreciated over here. I appreciate every one of you guys who come over. And guys, remember to like, share and comment, please hit that subscribe button, please. Remember to hit that subscribe button for us, please. And like and share and comment. And tell me where are you watching from. So the next video I can give you a thumbs up or I can highlight you in the next video. Okay guys? Okay guys, I almost finished cutting up my seasoning for my curry chicken. And guys, my sister is over there watching a video from Jamaica where the guy is in the middle of the Colors is in the middle of the water cooking. I can't believe that. In the middle of the water cooking.
You have a lot of videos like that.
Colors is not easy, eh? He's a real Jamaican. Only in Jamaica those things happen. Somebody in the river cooking. Big up Colors. Okay guys, so I'm cutting up my sweet pepper. That's the last one I have to put in my seasoning. for everything. Guys, I'm gonna store everything in one now. So guys, I have my scotch bonnet pepper to put in, but I'm not gonna put it in until I start cooking because I don't like to use the pepper because the last time I used it like that it burned me. So I'm gonna put in my scotch bonnet pepper after. So stay tuned guys, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I have my coconut oil and my curry in my pot hotting. I'm gonna burn it a little bit. I'm gonna add my chicken soon. Okay guys? Nice. Yeah, they said to burn the curry and it won't hurt you. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna add my chicken to my pot. You guys remember I said to you, cook your meat slow and you don't have to add water to it. So now I'm gonna turn down my stove to medium and I'm gonna cook it very slow. So I don't have to, I'm gonna add some white wine for sure. I'm gonna add about half a cup of white wine, but not right now. I'm gonna let it steam down a little bit and make its own gravy first. So I'm gonna cover it guys, and maybe in 10 minutes I come back to you, okay guys, and show you what's going on in the pot. So stay tuned guys, and continue watching guys, don't hang up. Continue watching and see my curry chicken, the finished end of my curry chicken. Stay to the end guys. Okay guys, so guys, I just have 3 bananas and I just peel them. I'm gonna grate them to make my dumplings. So stay tuned guys while I grate my potato. So stay tuned guys while I grate my
Bananas.
okay? I'm gonna make banana dumpling, man. Whew. Long time I didn't eat that banana dumpling. Oh, the last time I eat it was from Barrowhead. Oh yes. That's maybe 2 years ago. But today I'm gonna eat it with some curry chicken. So okay guys, I'm on the last banana now. So guys, give me a comment please if you still make banana dumpling, okay guys? Tell me if you still grate your banana and make dumpling. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna get my flour. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm gonna add my flour. That is half a cup, 1 cup. I'm adding 2 cups of flour for now, and I will, as I go along, I will see if I need more. Okay guys, so I have 2 cups of flour in this. I don't want to add too much because I want to taste my banana in my dumpling. So guys, I'm going to rinse my hands and to put my hands inside. Okay guys, so I'm going to knead my dumpling now.
So you're kneading the banana and the flour together?
Yes. I didn't put no salt inside because I don't want no salt. Okay guys, you can tip a little salt inside, but for me no. Okay guys, so I'm almost finished kneading my flour. So I'm gonna let it rest a few minutes and then I'm gonna make them. While it's resting, I'm gonna look on my curry chicken to see how it's going. Guys, stay tuned, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm making my dumplings. I put my 2-finger banana in the pot already. And a slice of white yam. So I'm gonna make my dumplings now. So guys, continue watching until the end of the video, please.
Roll and press.
Roll and press. So guys, this is my last dumpling. This is gonna be the biggest one. That's mine. The biggest one is mine. This is gonna be the biggest dumpling. So I have everything in my pot right now. So stay tuned guys and watch to the end of the video, please. Thank you. See you in a bit. Guys, I'm making another stir. You see guys, my pot is still full of water, a lot of liquid. A lot of liquid guys. I didn't add any water to it yet. So the slower you cook it, take its time and push out the water out of the meat. You have to keep stirring it so it don't stick in the bottom guys. You can't just leave it like that. You always keep stirring it. Keep moving the meat around so it doesn't stick and cook even. So guys, stay tuned. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so my chicken is still bubbling. Ooh, a lot of gravy guys. It's finished now. I'm just gonna wait until my dumpling is cooked. You can see a lot of gravy guys. I'm just waiting until the dumpling is finished cooking and then we're gonna share a plate. We're gonna have supper guys with my sister. So stay tuned until my dumpling finish cooking. It's bubbling it up over here. Okay guys, my curry chicken is finished. I turn off the stove. I'm gonna turn off my stove of my dumpling too. And I'm gonna make two plates, one for me, one for my sister just now. And I'll get right back to you guys. Okay guys, so my curry chicken and banana dumpling is ready. This is my finished product. This is for my sister. So guys, remember to like, share, and comment please. And tell me where you're watching me from. So I can highlight you in the next video. Or give you a shout out in the next video. So this is a plate of just pure curry chicken.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.
And see you in our next video. Bye for now. God bless you.